So I just want to share some of the crochet items that I've done. Did a lot of baby items. I don't really count or do patterns, so I make my own. And this is one of my favorite baby booties to do with a little ruffle. It's really easy to make. This is for a newborn. Here's a hat that I made for a gift. It was actually for a YouTuber, the Atwoods. Their brand is Smile More, so I put the Smile More brand on their hat when their daughter was born. And this is a common baby hat that I like to make. The little ruffle and palm on top. You can either use the little tie or not. It's not really necessary. Definitely want to make sure that you don't have a long one where it can grab it, you know, but depending on the age of the baby and whether or not you want to put a little decor on there. This was another gift that I made for a baby that was being born, little girl. So I like ruffles. You know, you don't have to make them with the ruffles. You can just make like a cuff sock or whatever. It's up to you. But it's just a pattern that I created. It's really easy to do. Here is another gift that I did. It's a baby blanket for a newborn. And I did a baby shower for somebody, a goddaughter, and she loved Batman. So everything was Batman. And so this was just a basic stitch. I had a little bit of a ruffle on it. And it's really easy to make. And as for the decals, you know, I used some non-toxic glue, fabric glue, and I just took some Batman, you know, symbol fabric that I bought, and I just cut it out and just fabric glued it on there. You could sew it on there, it doesn't have to be done that way. And then, of course, the baby Batman hat also has booties to match. And I also made some non-crochet Batman baby blankets. You know, the soft fabric where you tie together type of blanket. So this is the yellow side of the blanket. It's two colored, yellow and black, of course. So this is the reverse side. And you can make these for, you know, toddlers or grown-ups as well. Really easy blanket to make, fun as well. Pink baby booties. This is a lighter pink set that I did. Of course, booties I always make with the matching hat and the blanket. So they all gift them as a set. And then I created a pattern for a car seat hoodie poncho, because you're not so really supposed to use big what do they call them, down filter, like, you know, thick coats in a baby car seat or a toddler car seat. So at any rate, this little hoodie you put over their head, and the back part of it will just kind of rest, you know, over the back part of the car seat. And then when they get out, it ties on the side. And of course, you know, you can always add decal or whatever to it if you like. And I just created that pattern. This was a hat that I gifted for a toddler or preschool age child. I make hats for all ages, as well as scarves. Of course, I'd love to make kitchen items as well. This is a pot holder. I make pot holder sets also. And clue word, crochet. I do weekly giveaways. I have a gaming group as well, and so I'll be doing different types of giveaways, including, since it's getting that time of year, crochet giveaways, retail gift card giveaways, and I do Robux giveaways. So anyways, I do, for those, if you're watching for crochet purposes, I say clue word, and that's for those who are involved in my weekly giveaways, and they get extra entries, 5 extra entries when they comment the clue word and for the giveaway. So clue word crochet. But this is one of my just basic pot holder pattern that I created. I do a lot of other crafts as well. This was a decor pillow that I did. I had an old Christmas sweater that I had got a stain on it, and so I just took the decor off of it and incorporated it into a decor pillow for Christmas time. And I also do acrylic pour paintings, and I love doing those, and I may be doing a couple of those here in the near future. So if you like acrylic pour art, I do have some of my videos on here as well. I don't know why I don't have the full picture for this, but this is an adult size booty that I did. I also do booties and stuff and scarves and hats for, you know, for veterans and people in the hospital or the homeless. And thanks for looking in, and